Investing in a coin-operated laundry, also known as a laundromat, can be a potentially lucrative opportunity. This segment provides an overview of various aspects related to investing in a coin laundry and explores the potential for additional cash flow through auxiliary services like vending machines. However, before making a decision, it is essential to determine if this investment aligns with your goals and preferences. When considering investing in a laundromat, it's crucial to analyze key factors such as success rate, return on investment, ROI, and market value. While the claim of a 95% success rate for laundromats is not clearly defined, it generally implies a relatively low failure rate compared to other businesses. However, it's important to approach such statistics with caution, as they may be influenced by biases from industry sources. According to data from Martin Ray, a company in the laundromat business, there are approximately 35,000 coin-operated laundromats in the United States. These establishments, including coin-ops and other laundry services, generate a combined nationwide income of around $5 billion. The market value of a laundromat can range from $50,000 to over $1 million, depending on factors such as location, equipment, and profitability. The cash flow from a laundromat typically falls between $15,000 and $300,000 per year. While the ROI for a laundromat averages between 20% and 35%, it's important to note that the revenue growth potential is limited by the number of machines and the income they can generate. Unless you plan to own a significant number of laundromats, it is unlikely to generate billions of dollars. Laundromats are generally considered smaller businesses, and while they can provide solid returns, they may not lead to extraordinary wealth. Regarding the size and operation of a laundromat, the facilities range from 1,000 to 5,000 square feet, with an average size of 2,170 square feet. Most laundromats lease their space, but some own the real estate. They typically operate for long hours, usually from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m., although some establishments follow a 24-hour model. The majority of laundromats have 2 employees or fewer, making it a manageable business in terms of staffing. However, managing employees and ensuring smooth operations still require effort and effective management skills. Unlike certain industries dominated by major chains or franchises, there are no prominent laundromat chains or franchises that have been widely identified. Roughly 36% of laundromat owners consider their ownership as a part-time job, while the remaining 64% treat it as a full-time job. This suggests that laundromat ownership often requires active involvement rather than being a completely passive investment. In terms of startup costs, investing in a laundromat typically requires an investment ranging from $100,000 to $300,000. However, it's possible to finance a significant portion of this amount rather than bearing the entire cost up front. The number of washers and dryers in a laundromat can range from 40 to 100 units, and the equipment's average lifespan is approximately 10 to 15 years. Depreciation is a factor to consider when accounting for equipment replacement costs. Understanding the customer base is crucial when evaluating a laundromat investment. The primary users of coin-operated laundries are often low-income renters, with approximately 60% of the patrons being women. To ensure a steady customer flow, locating the laundromat in a densely populated area with a high concentration of potential customers within 1 mile is essential. The median income of the target market for laundromats is typically low, as they tend to cater to lower-income individuals and families. This demographic relies on laundromats for their laundry needs, as they may not have access to in-unit laundry facilities in their homes or apartments. When evaluating potential locations for a laundromat, factors such as population density, proximity to residential areas, competition, and accessibility are crucial. It's important to choose a location with a sufficient customer base and limited competition to maximize the chances of success. In addition to the coin-operated washers and dryers, many laundromat owners diversify their revenue streams by offering additional services. Vending machines, selling laundry detergent, fabric softeners, snacks, and beverages, can provide an additional source of income. Some laundromats also provide services like drop-off and pick-up laundry service, which can attract customers looking for convenience. Before making any investment, it's recommended to conduct thorough market research, feasibility studies, and financial projections. This will help you understand the potential profitability of the laundromat business and make an informed decision. Consulting with industry experts, existing laundromat owners, and financial advisors can also provide valuable insights and guidance. Lastly, it's worth noting that the laundromat industry, like any business, is subject to various risks and challenges. These can include fluctuations in utility costs, equipment maintenance and repair, changing consumer preferences, and economic downturns. It's important to have contingency plans and strategies in place to mitigate these risks and ensure the long-term viability of your investment. Remember to seek professional advice and thoroughly evaluate all aspects of the investment before proceeding. Good luck with your decision-making process.